Welcome to another how-to video from bugspray.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install our extension cords for our Ultra Sound Repellers. If you go to bugspray.com/ultra, you're going to see this unit, and if you scroll down the page, you're going to see that we have several features for it. One of the features is an extension cord, and we actually have two sizes. This extension cord is really just a patch cord, and what it does is it allows you to extend the reach of the standard power cord. So the standard power cord is about 8 feet, and this plugs into the outlet or into the light fixture adapter that we also sell, which works in your light bulb fixture. Either way, you've only got about 8 feet here. So if you need this unit on the other side of the attic, you're going to need one of our extension cords. They come in a 33-foot and a 66-foot length, and they're very, very simple to use. As I said, they're essentially a patch cord. So all you need to do is plug the male into the back of the sound repeller, and once that's plugged in, you then run it around the battery compartment and out the little slot that's on the bottom of the unit. The power supply then couples to it right here. If you look carefully, you can see you got a male on the power supply, which typically plugs into the back of the sound repeller. But in this case, you'd simply plug it into the extension cord, and now you've added a good 33 or potentially 66 feet. And in fact, you can hook these in series. So you can have a 33 and a 66 footer, giving yourself almost 100 feet of coverage. You can do a couple of 66ers. You can do several hundred feet if need be. This cable is very thin. It's kind of like stereo grade as far as the gauge, so it can easily be buried or concealed, and it's very discreet. So in summary, if you have the need to extend the power lead to your sound repeller, the 33 or the 66-foot cords that we offer is the perfect solution. Don't use an extension cord. Use our patch cords. Way less costly, way more efficient for the unit, and way easier to work with. So thanks for watching my how-to video from bugspray.com.